Hi and welcome back to Csylnaturalsdiy DIY. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this papaya extract for cosmetic formulations. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking with me till date. So let's get started. So to make this papaya extract for cosmetic formulation, I'm going to cut a medium size of papaya. I'm going to wash, clean, and peel it off, peel the back. Then the next, I'm going to cut it into cubes, as I'm doing at this point. Then after cutting it, I'm going to measure out my ingredient. I'll first measure the papaya. I'm going to be using 65 grams of the papaya itself, and I'm measuring it at this point with a kitchen scale. Then the next I'm measuring is my distilled water. I'm going to measure 10 grams of distilled water and I'll heat it up a little. I just want it to be lukewarm. Then I'm going to, in a different jar, I'm going to pour in my papaya, the sliced one, as I'm doing at this point. Use a jar that has a cover a jar that you can tightly cover. Then after adding my papaya to a jar, I'm going to add the lukewarm water over it and I'm going to mix it. Then after mixing, I'm going to add my glycerin. Here I have 85 grams of glycerin. I'm going to pour it over the papaya. And after pouring it, I'm going to mix it. So guys, after mixing it, I'm going to cover this papaya in a jar and I'm going to leave it for 2 weeks and make sure you shake it every day. So after 2 weeks, the papaya extract is ready, and with my strainer and a cheesecloth, I'm going to strain the papaya extract. So at this point, I noticed that it wasn't passing through the cheesecloth. I folded it, I doubled the cheesecloth so it wasn't going through properly. So what I did at this point, I had to take it off and strain it directly without the cheesecloth, but rather with the strainer alone. So guys, after straining it here, the papaya extract is ready. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos and like them. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to do so. And see you in my next video. Bye.